In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 5 mistakes beginners make in content creation and how you can avoid them. Hello, you're welcome or welcome back to my channel. In this channel, we talk about entrepreneurship, making money on the internet, and cryptocurrency. So the first mistake a lot of beginners make in content creation is not knowing your audience. Like, it's very important because content creation, you can be so excited when you are starting, but as you advance into it, it can be so frustrating, most especially if you did not know your audience. Like, you need to know who are your audience. You need to understand them. Where do they spend most of their time on social media? You need to check what are their age bracket, what are their interests, what are the kind of problem or challenges that they are facing. How can you provide solution to them and all that? Take their demography and everything. Check their income level, because not knowing their income level, you might want to sell a product that they cannot afford. It could be either it's too expensive for them or it's too low, that is below their standard. So it's important you know your audience. Then the second mistake is not writing for your audience. Like, when you are creating content or you are scripting, you need to write to their specific pain points. Write in a way that they will understand you. You need to flow. Like me now, if I'm invited to go speak in secondary school, you need to see how I dress. So you need to write for your specific audience. You need to write something that will resonate with them so that they can feel free. They can see you as a friend. They can see you even as they watch their video. They feel as if you are there with them and all that. Then the third mistake beginners content creators make is quantity over quality. I know that there are a lot of people who say post 3 times or 4 times in a day on TikTok, or this and that and that. Don't even care about the quality. Just keep posting. Just keep posting. Yes, you can be posting, but at the same time, there is a level you get to that is not all you should do. That, like, you can create quality videos. While it is important to create content consistently, people also are more likely to engage with your content because it adds value. So you need to check the quality of the information. When I say quality, I'm not talking about just camera, microphone and all that. Like, I recently got this mic. If not, sometimes some of my videos, if you just go down, you will see how people were abusing me and saying all sorts of things because I do not have a good sound, right? So, but as I grow, there is a stage I get to, I myself, I know that I need to invest in quality, in quality sound and all that. So you need to check. When I say quality for you as a beginner right now, is the quality of the content, the information. Don't just do things because you see others are doing. Do things because you know who you are serving, you know their pain points, and you know what they care about. Like, there are some of my videos that I carelessly do because I know that I have already grown so much in that particular space that once the sound is okay, people are happy with it because I know the kind of problem I solve in that specific industry. Okay. Then the next mistake beginners make is consistency. There's difference between consistent and quality or quantity. Like, you see some people, they will post 3 times this week and they can go mute for the next 1 month. So it's even better someone that posts 1 video in a week consistently, and at the end of the day, maybe the person in a month, the person just posts 4 videos, than someone that will post 10 videos in a week and the remaining 3 weeks you are not posting anything. So you need to know, let your audience know this is what you create and this is how often you post. It is important, most especially if you are a beginner. There is a level you get to that you don't even care. You can post in the morning, in the evening, in the night. Like me now, I have videos that have over 100,000 views. I have videos that have just maybe 50 or 100 views. I am at a stage in my life that I don't even care. I don't look at how many views I have. So, but you as a beginner, you cannot make that mistake. You need to pay attention and be consistent as you are building your brand. So the fifth mistake beginners make is promotion. It's very important. The focus of your content should be providing value to your audience and not promoting your product all the time. I know that some people, even before they go into content creation, they already have a product that they sell or they have the services that they render. But as you do that, you need to be mindful. Sometimes you have to like schedule, have a strategy for creating content. Like even when you sell something, it's not every day you must mention this is what I sell, this is what I sell, this is what I sell, and you spam. You are just so pushy, you are just too promotional, you are just bashing their faces all the time, to the extent that the moment they see your video they just skip. You need to be mindful of that. So you need to have a strategy of posting. You need to have a strategy of how many times you promote your product or services. Sometimes you can just, if you are in the YouTube, if you're having YouTube channel, you can just drop the links to your product or services in the description of the video. You don't have to even mention them. So you need to provide value. Another bonus tips that I want to share with you is not optimizing your content. You need to check your SEO, the search engine optimization, and optimize your videos very well. Another bonus tips is you are not engaging with your audience. Some of you as a beginner, you just post video and you go to sleep. You don't do that. It's very important. The few minutes of your video as you post, you need to check, you need to reply to comments and engage with your audience. You need to learn from your mistake. As you post video consistently or as you create content, you need to also be looking back. Why did this video perform well? Why did this video did not perform well? What mistake did I make in this video? How can I learn from it? You need to also look at your headline. If you are doing TikTok, your title is very important, because all the social media handle, they pay more attention on people that are keeping people longer enough on their content on that platform. So you get rewarded by how long people stay and consuming your content. So that is why you need to attract them first, because no matter how beautiful the quality of your video is, if your thumbnail is bad or your topic is not what can solve my problem, I will not click on it. You need to also be mindful of how you duplicate content. The video you post, you repeat it over and over and over again. All these are things you should stop doing. And last but not the least, you need to be personal, because a lot of mistake people are doing is not being personal. You need to be personal, okay? Share your story one way or the other. Bring your own uniqueness into your niche and all that. So I have been creating content lately about content creation, because content creation have really changed my life for good. Content creation take me from the lowest rung of a ladder to where I am right now, and I'm so grateful to God for that, and it is my time to give back to the community. So for now, I've done a video on beginner's guide. I've done a video on how to pick a niche. In the description of this video, I'm going to drop the link to the playlist of all the videos I'm making about content creation, so that you can get started. You could be just a video away from your viral content. So until I come your way again in my next video, I hope you have liked this video. I hope you have dropped a beautiful comment for me. I hope you have subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much for doing that. Until I come your way again in my next video, do have a wonderful day. Bye.